All right, guys, this is what she looks like. I think I might hit it one more time with my... What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be knocking out pad number 4. We're starting early today, not as early as I would like, because it's going to get really hot today. It's 9 o'clock right now. I wanted to start closer to 7, but took a little bit longer to drive around than I expected. But see, I got all my wire mesh in, got my rebar into the other pads. I got a whole piece of rebar going from this pad all the way over, connected to all these rebar, and it comes to this corner. Same thing on this corner. I just put a piece of rebar all the way over just for some extra strength. We're gonna get started. Got my nice setup right here. I'm gonna really try to work hard, bang this out, get this done as fast as I can, and try to beat the heat. Got my 7 bags of Portland, a ton of gravel, a ton of sand. I left that board off just so I can come in here and do just like I did the last one. Got my power scraper today instead of the hammer drill, just to vibrate the sides, and we should be good to go. Like I said, it's 9 o'clock. Really gonna try to bust this out. Hopefully I can get it done maybe in like 2 hours. We're gonna get started. All right guys, my GoPro ran out of battery, so I'm not sure what you guys missed there, but just finished up. It is 11:34, so I really didn't start till 9:15, so a solid 2 hours, 2.5 hours, we'll call it. So now I'm gonna hit it with the mag float, at least this side, and I'll mag float all of it in a minute. But yeah, did really well on this one. It's really humid out, so I've been sweating like crazy. I'm gonna go change my clothes here in a second. It's a really nasty day out here, so glad I got this done early. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright, I'm gonna try to get this as smooth as possible, so I'll come back again in about a half hour and hit it again. Alright guys, this is what she looks like. I think I might hit it one more time with my steel trowel, but it's pretty smooth right now. Just a couple little imperfections maybe right there. But yeah, I'll probably hit it one more time and then we'll be good to go. Alright guys, it's the next day here. I took the forms off this morning. So this is what we got. We got 4 pads done. Got a nice big square now. So the pad I have now is 14 by 16. So we are a third of the way done. So once I have these 2 pads right here, that'll be 6, and then I'll be halfway done. Looks like this side here got a really good edge over here. Almost perfect. That vibrating with the power scraper seemed to do a really good job. You can see over here I did a little experiment with a little keyway right here, just so the next pad will actually like connect to this one a little bit better. Not sure if I'm going to keep doing this on all of them or not, but just a little experiment. Best way to really do it is have this at like an angle, but I'm actually pretty happy with just having a really good edge like this and then drilling the rebar. So I'll probably just finish doing it like that. I really don't think I even need to do a keyway. This Harbor Freight mixer has been holding up really good so far. So I've done my pad for the shed. That was a 10 by 12. I've done these 4 pads so far. So 5 pads total, and it's doing really good. Fires right up. Don't have no problems with it. Hopefully it gets me through this whole project. That'll be some of the best money I've spent on a tool. Ended up getting a really nice finish on this one. Really smooth. Didn't have any problems yesterday. No rain or anything. So this one is really nice and smooth. Now, just like I showed you in the one short video I made, I just been coming here as much as I can and just soaking this down, and that just really slows the curing process and will just make the concrete stronger overall, have a better finished product. So just been coming and soaking this as much as possible. Doesn't hurt to soak that one over there too. It's only been about 2 weeks, so give it another 2 weeks until that one's fully cured. So soaking that one down will still help that one out. So yeah guys, hope you're enjoying these videos. Hope you're enjoying this project. trying to get this done as fast as I can, but like I've said in the other videos, that taking it one pad at a time, trying to get one done when I can, still doing it around all my work schedule and everything. So, but making pretty good progress. I thought about doing these next 2 pads all at once, but that really is a lot of work, even though I got a good system now and can get these pads done in about 2.5 hours. This heat is really rough. Like today, I believe it feels like it's 98 right now, so it's really hot. Can't get a lot of work done. I could probably knock out 2 pads on a cooler day, but during the summer like this, on these hot days, don't think it's really ideal. So if you guys are enjoying this project, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on the next video. And do me a favor and drop a big thumbs up down below. I really appreciate it, and it really helps the video reach a wider audience. So thanks guys. So that's gonna be it. Hope you guys have a great day. Peace.